In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a target line in an Excel chart. If you track performance against a goal, like monthly sales versus a target, this is a quick, reliable way to show exactly where you're hitting or missing the mark. Start by preparing your worksheet so your categories, your actual values, and your target values sit together in a tidy block of cells. For example, you might have months in the first column, actual results in the second, and a single target value repeated down the third column. With that in place, highlight the entire data range, including the category labels and both series. Selecting everything up front tells Excel what belongs in the chart and helps it recognize which series should be bars and which will become the target. With the range selected, go to the Insert tab and choose a basic bar or column chart. A clustered column chart works well because it makes comparisons across categories easy to see. Don't worry if both series initially appear as bars. We're about to change that so your target becomes a clean line running across the chart. Click the chart to activate the Chart Design tools, then choose Change Chart Type. If you prefer, you can also right-click the chart and pick Change Chart Type from the shortcut menu. Both routes open the same dialog. In the Change Chart Type window, switch to the Combo category. This view lets you mix different chart types in a single visual, which is exactly what we need. In the series list, find your target series. This is usually listed as Series 2 if you selected your data with the target in the last column. Change its chart type from column to line. If your actuals and target use the same units and scale, you typically don't need a secondary axis, so you can leave that unchecked. Click OK to apply the changes. You should now see your actual values as bars, with a horizontal line cutting across them to represent the target. To make that target line stand out, consider formatting it so it's easy to read at a glance. Choose a distinct color, slightly increase the line weight, or use a dashed style if that's your preference. If the line doesn't appear or looks off, double-check that your highlighted range included the target column and that the series names are correct. That's it. Your chart now clearly communicates performance against goal, all in a single, easy-to-read view.